Have you ever heard the ocean hum? Not the crash of waves or the cry of gulls, but a deep, constant vibration, one that never stops. Even when the surface is calm, even when the wind is still, the earth itself is ringing like a giant drum. And the strange part? We didn't know it existed until scientists accidentally heard it. In the late 1990s, researchers were placing ultra-sensitive seismometers on the ocean floor. They expected to detect earthquakes, sudden, violent bursts of energy. But instead, they found something else. A steady rhythm, a global heartbeat pulsing every few seconds. No storm, no quake, just a planet-wide hum. So what on Earth, or rather, under Earth, was making the ocean sing? At first, scientists thought it had to be equipment noise, maybe submarines, shipping engines, or even ocean currents hitting the sensors, but the hum was everywhere. In the Atlantic, the Pacific, the Indian Ocean, always the same frequency. It was like the planet had its own background music, so they filtered out human-made sounds. The hum remained. They ruled out tectonic activity, still there. Even the calmest days showed the same deep rhythm. Then came the weirdest clue. The hum had a frequency between 2 and 7 millihertz. That's a sound so low our ears can't even perceive it, over 10,000 times deeper than a bass guitar. You can't hear it, but if you could, it would sound like the slow breathing of a giant creature. So, what could shake the entire planet in such a slow rhythm? The answer wasn't in the crust, it was in the sea. Every second, waves crash across millions of kilometers of coastline. Most of that energy disappears as foam, sound, and spray, but some of it travels downward, deep into the ocean itself. When two wave systems meet head-on, they can merge and push energy downward. That impact transfers pressure through the water column, all the way to the ocean floor. Each collision, a tap on the drum of the Earth. So yes, the Earth really is humming, but not because of tectonic shifts or core movement. It's the ocean waves, constantly pounding the seafloor in perfect rhythm. This process is called microseism. Tiny vibrations caused when ocean waves interact and pressurize the seabed. The planet's crust is like the skin of a drum, and the oceans, they're the hands, slapping, pressing, tapping, never stopping. These vibrations spread through the crust, bouncing between layers of rock, echoing across continents. Scientists found that this hum is powerful enough to slightly move entire tectonic plates. Not enough to trigger quakes, but enough to make the Earth ring like a bell. In fact, if you record the planet for a whole year, you can literally map out the music of the Earth. And because this hum is always on, scientists now use it to study Earth's interior. Just like doctors use ultrasound to peek inside the human body, geophysicists use the ocean's hum to see deep into the crust. No earthquakes required. It's a kind of natural MRI for the planet, powered by waves, tuned by storms, and recorded by the quiet patience of rock. So why does this matter? Because the hum carries secrets about our planet's heartbeat. When its rhythm changes, it means something deep below has shifted. The hum helps scientists track ocean circulation, storm intensity, even climate change. As the oceans warm and storms grow stronger, the hum is slowly changing pitch, as if Earth's music itself is evolving. And on a poetic level, it's a reminder that we live on a breathing, resonant world. A planet that doesn't just spin through space, but sings. Every wave that crashes on a distant shore adds one note to a symphony that never ends. So the next time you stand by the sea, close your eyes for a moment. Behind the roar of surf, beneath the hiss of foam, somewhere deep below, the planet is humming. A note so low it takes the whole Earth to play it. Because our world doesn't just orbit the sun, it sings to it.